And a significant rise in whooping cough cases. It's in line with an increase in respiratory diseases nationwide following the COVID-19 pandemic. The rates of respiratory illnesses like the flu declined significantly when people were wearing masks and social distancing in the wake of the pandemic. But rates are back up and even higher than before COVID. As of Tuesday, there were 123 cases of whooping cough in Alabama, a 300% increase from last year. Whooping cough is a highly contagious disease that presents with cold-like symptoms, but leads to coughing fits that can last weeks or even months. Infants and people with pre-existing medical conditions are especially at risk, so make sure your vaccines are up to date.